to this channel. This is Francis from Smart FX, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can easily trade your 200 index. For those of you that don't know, 200 index is traded on kwakolmarkets. They are a new broker. They are here to challenge the reef. And so far so good. Their market movements are so nice. They are so good. Look at this guy. Look at this. The market movement is so nice. Look at it. If you cut this move from here, you'll be making all these pips for yourself. So for those that know how to trade this thing, are really cashing out of the market. And for those of you that don't know, that is why I have this channel. So I would advise that you watch this video to the end, because I'll be sharing my knowledge about this market from the beginning to the end of this video. So first thing first, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video from me, as I'll be dropping videos each and every week on this channel to help you, the beginner traders, grow and then also make money for yourself and make money while you learn. So these are the indices you can actually trade on this market. We have power 100 index, we have power 200 index, swift 100 index, swift 200, dump 100 and 200, moon 100 and 200 index. So their market movement is very good, as you can see. Look at dump 100 index here. Look at the market movement of this dump. Let me move down to 15 minutes time frame. Look at the market movement. So if you actually trade on derivative, you can know that their market movement is just like the boom and crash on derivative. So imagine that you enter this trade here. So you'll be making all these things for yourself. This is money, guys. This is money. This is money. All you need to do is just to know how and learn how to trade, and this is why I have this channel. But for the purpose of the video, I will not go into this analysis. I will go back to my moon 200 index. So if you see very well, let me go back to the higher time frame so that I can show you what I'm talking about. If you see very well, we are here. I've entered my trade here. Look at this red line here. This is where I've entered my trade, and I'm hoping to swing this trade to this point actually before I can take some partials. But the market can move up to this point. So these are the psychological levels in the market, and we have this level here, we have this level here, we also have this level here, we also have this level here. These are the psychological market where the market can actually reverse, and then also have this level here, also have this level here. So firstly, I'll be taking my partial profit at this first point here. At this first point, I'll be taking it here and also take some here, but I'm targeting this market at this point because we're on a 4-hour time frame, and you guys know that when you do your analysis on a 4-hour time frame and you got this confirmation to enter a trade, you know what can happen. So now let me tell you the reason why I took this trade, because you see the market, the movement on market, the strategy I trade is price action. So in price action, we study the movement of the market to predict the future movement of that market. So if you have been following my videos, I made a video about triple top. It's one of the pattern in the market, where the market will come, as it come here, it make the first top here, the market come down here, fail to come down lower, and then still reverse back, make the second touch, and then started coming down, and then make the third touch. If I can zoom in very well, you can see that this third touch, we have something like, we have a pin of that candlestick. A candlestick has a pin, so the pin is actually higher than this previous levels in the market. So the purpose of that pin bar or that wick is to clear liquidity. And you all know that before the market can move, two things can happen. The market move to clear liquidity or to fill a gap in the market. For those of you that trade smart money concept, you understand what I'm saying. But don't worry, if you don't understand, as a price action trader, I will still explain. So when you see this pattern, it's a very sure confirmation that the market is going to move down, because firstly, you have the first touch. So as I was saying, this one is a signal. As a price action trader, you draw your line here. As you see this first touch, you should draw this your rectangle. This is the rectangle. You draw the rectangle here and be waiting for another touch. So as the market is coming back to this level again, you watch closely. You don't have to enter blindly. You can see that the market started coming down with that two candles, but they did not make any higher move because liquidity was not taken. So if you see very well, liquidity was taken at this third move. Like I'm telling you that the wick of that candlestick supersede the previous touches. So the purpose of that wick was to take liquidity, and the liquidity was taken. So seeing that, I enter into the market with full confidence. You can see what happened here, but I was not perturbed. I'm not worried, and the market retraces back. This is the target. This is what I'm targeting this market to take my profit, because I have double confirmation. Anything can happen in the market, but when you have double confirmation and you've seen your strategy work playing out, you are following your trading plan, you go into the market with full force and be able to squeeze some juice in the market. So this is the reason why I took this trade. And this strategy, which is double top, can be used to trade both synthetic, can be used to trade currencies, and even the forex market. So this is basically how a price action trader reason. First of all, you got the confirmation here on the third touch. So that's why it's good to combine some strategies. Like I'm combining the smart market trading strategy, which is the liquidity. I would have entered this market on this second touch, which is also a double top, but if I entered that market, I would have been taken out. So I wanted to see what they will do, and then I will enter at a retracement. So retracing on this level past the previous level, which was the liquidity grab, we call it in smart market. So seeing that liquidity grab, I know that with I was fully assured and fully confident that the market is going to move. And right now I'm in the market without any worry, because I'm sure the market is going to come down. So that's how you will trade, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, as I will be posting more videos, and these strategies I'm sharing with you can be used in crypto, in currencies, and in what synthetic indices. Whether you are trading on daily, is still the same thing. This is how you look at the market, and this way you'll be able to profit from the market. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.